If you own a US spec BMW, you may think that you don't have parking lights that a lot of the European cars have. You'd have additional button just right here to engage that. But this car actually does have it, so when the car is turned off, you're gonna push the lights lever all the way down and you get parking lamps on, which means it's gonna be a little bit difficult to see, but you can see that light is on, but not this one. So since this is a car where we drive on the right side of the street, if you park the car on the right side where you would normally park it, you have the lights that are engaged here and on this side as well, but not on the sidewalk side. Pretty cool if you live in the city. You don't want your car to be accidentally hit. Everybody can see it. Makes it much safer.